Everyone thinks the best-selling electric single burner is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Most of these look nearly identical, but the real differences show up in how they heat, how fast, and how long they last. Product number 1, Avent Cast Iron Burner. Let's start with this Avent model, the one with the 7.25-inch cast iron hot plate. At just $15.17, it's one of the cheapest options out there, and honestly, that's what caught my eye. It's simple, no frills, and gets straight to the point. If you want a basic, budget-friendly burner for occasional use, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The cast iron plate holds heat really well, so once it's hot, it stays hot, great for searing or simmering without constant temperature swings. It has 5 heat settings, which gives you decent control, and the stainless steel base is easy to wipe down. Plus, at 1000 watts, it's strong enough for most small meals without overloading a dorm or office outlet. Over 2,000 people bought this in the past month, which tells you it's popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about uneven heating, especially around the edges. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's not a deal breaker. You just need to use the center of the plate and avoid very small pans. It's not perfect, but it does what it promises. This is perfect for you if you're a student, live in a small space, or just need a backup burner for travel. Skip this one if you're cooking daily or need precise temperature control. For under $16, it's a solid value. Product number 2, Avent Stainless Steel Coil. Now, if the cast iron model's uneven heating bothered you, this next Avent takes a completely different approach. It uses a 6-inch stainless steel coil instead. Priced at $19.30, it's still very affordable, but the coil design heats up faster and more evenly across the surface. It also has an indicator light, which sounds small but actually helps prevent accidental burns, something you'll appreciate if you're using this in a shared kitchen. At 1000 watts, it's similar in power, but the coil layout makes it better for smaller pots and faster boiling. Over 300 bought it last month, so it's not as popular but still a strong contender. Now, some people said the coil can be tricky to clean if food spills into the grooves. Here's the thing though, a quick wipe while it's warm usually does the trick. Just don't let grease sit too long. It's not ideal but manageable. This is perfect for you if you want faster heating and don't mind a slightly smaller cooking surface. Skip this one if you're using large pans or need a flat surface for griddle-style cooking. For under $20, it's a smart upgrade from the cast iron version. Product number 3, Avent Infrared Ceramic. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for consistent, even heat. This Avent Infrared model with a 7.5-inch ceramic glass cooktop. At $29.08, it's stepping up in price, but you're getting a completely different heating technology. That means faster boil times and less wasted energy. The flat glass surface is also super easy to clean, just wipe it down like a stovetop. It has 6 heat levels, giving you finer control, and the larger surface fits bigger pans. Only about 100 bought it last month, so it's less popular, but that doesn't mean it's not better. Now, some people complain that it doesn't work well with induction-compatible pans, only magnetic ones. Here's the thing though, if you're using regular stainless steel or cast iron, you're fine. But if you have non-magnetic cookware, this won't heat it at all. This is perfect for you if you want a modern, easy-clean surface and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you rely on non-magnetic pans. For under $30, it's a great middle ground option. Product number 4, Cusimax 1500W Power Burner. Now, if you're tired of waiting for water to boil, this Cusimax model brings serious power, 1,500 watts, the highest on this list. At $54.37, it's definitely a step up in price, but you're paying for speed and performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That extra 500 watts means you can boil a pot of water in under 5 minutes, which is a game changer if you're cooking for one or in a rush. The stainless steel body feels sturdy and the adjustable temperature control is responsive. It also heats up in seconds, so there's almost no wait time. Only about 100 bought it recently, so it's not mainstream, but the power speaks for itself. Now some people said it gets extremely hot and can overheat if left on too long. Here's the thing though, it has no auto shutoff, so you need to stay nearby when using high heat. It's not unsafe, but it does require attention. This is perfect for you if you want fast cooking and don't mind babysitting it a bit. Skip this one if you're looking for something you can set and forget. For the power, it's a fair price. Product number 5, Techwood 1500W with cool handles. Finally, this Techwood model also runs at 1500 watts, but it adds one feature the others don't: stay cool handles. At $43.36, it's cheaper than the Cusamax but still packs the same power. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The cool touch handles make it safer to move, especially if you're using it in tight spaces or around kids. It's also marketed as an RV-friendly option, so it's built for portability. Around 100 bought it last month, so it's gaining traction. Now, some people said the temperature dial feels a bit flimsy and can wobble over time. Here's the thing though, it still functions fine, but it's not the most durable build. If you're rough with your gear, this might not last as long. This is perfect for you if you want high power and safer handling. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty for daily use. For under $45, it's a strong value with smart safety features. So which one should you get? If you're on a tight budget, the Avent cast iron model gets the job done. Want faster heat? Go for the coil version. Need a clean, modern look? The infrared ceramic is great. And if speed is everything, either the Cusamax or Techwood will deliver. Just pick based on safety or price. No single burner is perfect, but one of these will definitely fit your life.